Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome back to our YouTube channel CognitiveCoders. I hope you guys are doing well, and this is our pyspark interview series video. Okay, this is our part 51 video. uh, Already we have crossed half century. Already 50 videos we have covered where we tried to learn multiple companies interview scenarios question and try to solve by it ourselves, and already told you guys try it by yourself and try to find out any other approaches, more optimized approaches, and if you find out that, then comment on the video section so that I also can learn from you guys and everybody can learn from you guys. Okay, our whole cognitive coders community can see your contribution. Okay, so in this video we are going to see one of the question which is asked in Netflix data engineering interview uh, round. Okay, so the on I am doing one by one question. Okay, whatever it is, finding me that this question could come from other product based companies or other any service based companies also. This kind of question, it is roaming in the market during the interview. That kind of question every time I'm trying to solve and trying to uh, show you guys. Okay, so it is not that Netflix only ask only this question, based on this question answer Netflix will hire you. It is not like that. Okay, only that this question, this kind of question they used to ask, and already this question I got from LinkedIn also. So they have asked 3 4 5 questions. Within that, this question was there. Okay, so let's see what is that question and how we have solved it based on our approach, that we will see. So what it is that, what is that, so it is basically they have given us one record table. Okay, where uh, we have account ID, user ID, and record date. So they ask find all the users who were active for 3 consecutive days or more days. Okay, so we need to find out that users who were active for last 3 consecutive days or more than that, not less than 3. Okay, who have logged in using any of the account ID, any of the account ID, who doesn't matter whatever account it is. It might be A1, might be A2. It is only matter who are the user who have logged in for last 3 consecutive days continuously or more than that. Okay, so that user we need to find out. So what they prefer the output, they prefer the output u4, user 4. Okay, so we'll see how to get that. So basically, for getting the 3 consecutive day output, you need to find out that whatever recording date we have, we need to find out for this recording date if we have previous date and we have next date. That uh, that previous wala should be one day before, next day should be one day after, so that these three will be in consecutive days, like that. Okay, so for that, what we need to do, for getting for each and every recording date perspective, if we need to get the previous date and next date, we need to use the lead and lag function. Earlier in our earlier questions also, we have used this function to solve that. So we'll see how to solve that. So we'll do new df equals to df with column. Okay, then what we'll do, uh, with column, then first we'll see the previous date, each and every recording date perspective. Okay, prev date. Okay, lag means the previous wala, so it would be on the on the perspective of recording date, and how to use the lead and lag function. If you don't know, I would request you guys to visit our playlist, this pyspark and databricks playlist, where I have gone through all the details of this kind of functions, and this real-time scenario also you can go through how to use that in real-time scenarios. Okay, so we'll use the window lead and for using this lead and lag we need to use the window. So window over window dot partition by what would be our partition? Our partition would be user ID perspective. I need to get the data, and then order by what would be the order by? Order by would be the recording date, because we need to get the recording date first in a single order. Okay, then only we can get the each and every recording date's previous record and previous recording date and after the next record date where the user logged in. Okay, so now if I will print the new TF display, you will get to understand what I want to do. So each and every user ID perspective, so don't go with account ID, any of the account ID user can use, that doesn't matter. So user whenever logged in, that recording date we need to first order get into a order, then for each and every recording date its previous recording date we need to get. So for this there is no previous recording date, it is null. For this there is previous recording date 8 we got. For this it is 9 we got. So in that perspective the data we get. So now we need to find out the next wala. The same way we will find out the recording date for for lead function also. The next record date for each on the perspective of record date, the next date whenever the user login in the system. Okay, let's see. For this, for 8 the next one is 9, we can see. For 9 next one is 1 we got. So like that. So now we can find out on the perspective of record date. So if if we will go for a 9 only, so 9's previous one is 8, the difference is 1. 9's next one is 10, so next day we need to check. Next one is 10, it is not, it is 1 so the date difference is not 1. Okay, so whenever the record date difference of record date and previous date equals to 1, and the date difference of record date next date equals to 1, then only that record would be considered. So for A4 if we will see, sorry, user 4 if you will see, user 17, 10, 11, 12. So for 11 previous one is 10, whenever it will get perform the date difference it will get 1. For the same record the next date is 12, whenever this will also perform the date difference, then it will give 1. So the for this record our whatever our logic would be satisfied. So the the user would be u4. So I'll write the code, you will get to understand. Okay, final df goes to new df dot filter, we'll use the filter. Okay, date diff. So for date diff function we need to import this functions. Okay, so I have imported all the functions whatever it is under sql.functions, pyspark.sql.functions using the star. Okay, so date diff, now we'll go previous date, sorry, record date, previous date and record date. Okay, done. Next what we'll do, the date difference, it is done, it should be 1 and done. Okay, so based on this condition it will give us the record. So final df, if I'll print, it will give us this record only. So what is the error it is showing? Okay, okay, we need to put this in a single bracket. We should get the record now. What is the issue? Let me check what is the issue. Okay, so this would be like this. Okay, now you are getting the data. Okay, so what was happening, so record date is 11 and next date is 12. Okay, so that's why next date is the bigger one, so that's why next date we should write it first then record date. So like this also same here, I make the changes. So I'm getting this record, the u4 wala whatever we have, we have set this condition where this condition have satisfied, this one, not this one, this one. You can see 11 record date. So now we can get the output. Only user ID they need, so select user ID. Okay, user ID output we are getting as they expecting the output. Okay, like that we can get the user ID who have logged in the system from different account consecutively 3 days or more than that. Okay, so whenever we have this only one record, that's why we are getting only one time user 4 have logged in consecutive times. Otherwise this list should come if it is user for more than one time or two times different date consecutively logged in, then multiple user for it should come. That time you can use distinct to get only one user ID if it is multiple times. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood the concept, how we try to solve this question. Okay, if you face any kind of challenges, you can comment on the video comment section. I would try to reply you back. and give you the understanding. Okay, and if you think this video is helpful for you guys, I'm requesting you guys to like and share this video with your friend, and also press the hype button. Okay, as it is a non-paid initiative, you guys can understand this thing will motivate us. Okay, and if you think you need other types of contents, anything they are related to data engineering, you guys can comment that that content, that this type of content we require to prepare our interview, or daily life data engineering activity to learning that. So I will try to make the video on that content and try to publish. Okay, so please comment whatever feedback it is. I would expect you guys will comment. Okay, and you guys will support us, our Cognitive Coder channel. I'm seeing every day lots of users traffic in our channel, but subscription they are not doing. Okay, so please subscribe. There is no pasa. It is we are we want from you guys. We just only need you guys will subscribe and press the bell icon for the upcoming updates, for getting the upcoming updates. Okay, so thank you for guys for watching our video. This is our channel Cognitive Coders. Please go through these videos if you are preparing for data engineering interview, or you are a data engineer professionally, you want to learn the real-time scenarios. Okay, so and ADF related, fabric related content, you guys can go through this. Okay, lake flow related videos also we are daily basis giving. Okay, so just go through this video, and thank you for watching our video. Thanks for now. Bye. We'll come with another interesting video in our upcoming video. Okay, another interesting content is coming. Okay, I can tell you guys. Okay, thanks for watching our video for now.